Let us consider transformations of the form g of x equals constant times f of x. To understand this transformation better, let us consider an example. Consider f of x to be equal to x square. We know that this is a parabola. Let us construct the parabola x square. We know that it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. And we know that 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4 are few points on the parabola. Since it is symmetric and the way it is constructed, we also know that minus 1, 1, minus 2, 4 are also points on the parabola. Now let us take the constant a value to be equal to 3. Then g of 0 will be 3 times f of 0, which is 3 times 0, which is equal to 0. So we get the point 0, 0 on g of x. So we have the point 0, 0 on the curve g of x. Find what is g of 1. That will be a times, that is 3 times f of 1. So f of 1 is 1. We get 3 times 1, which is 3. So we get the point 1, 3 on the curve g of x. 1, 3 on the curve g of x. If 1, 3 is a point, minus 1, 3 is also a point on g of x, because 3 times x square. It is again another parabola. Consider g of 2. 3 times f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 4 we get it to be 12. So we see the point 2, 12 on g of x. 2, 12. This is 4, so 12 is somewhere on top. Let us consider 2, 12. If 2, 12 is a point, very clearly minus 2, 12 is also a point. Let us join the points. We end up getting this kind of a parabola. Observe this curve. We can clearly see that f of x is stretched vertically. F of x is stretched vertically through the transformation 3 times f of x. So basically we conclude that if we transform the function f of x to a times f of x, we end up getting a vertical stretch. And the stretch factor in this case will be equal to a. Why? Because you consider in f of x, for x equal to 1, we get y equal to 1. For g of x, this is g of x. For x equal to 1, we got y equal to 3. For x equal to 2, in f of x, we got y to be 4. Where for x equal to 2, in g of x, we saw that it is 12, which is 3 times 4. Here it is 3 times 1. And the example we considered a to be equal to 3. So basically, if we transform the function f of x to a times f of x, we end up getting a vertical stretch with a stretch factor a. In this kind of transformation, x is invariant and y varies.